Hey guys, we got a 2006 Chevy Colorado with the Grinch on the front. Got custom paint, custom wheels, really nice truck. Anyways, got factory converter there on top, secondary converter there. Then he wanted some sound out of it, so we straight piped it. White pipe duals out the back, on each side there and there. And then we put some 4-inch roll tips out the back to finish the look. As you can see right there, looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And this is where the old muffler was and tailpipe that was on at the factory that we took off and replaced with duals. So, like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, so we did round one with the straight pipes. He came back this next day, too loud for him, too loud for the neighbors, which was a disappointment for us. But it's okay. It is what it is. So we went the other way around. So I still got the factory converters up there and there. And then what we did is added a FLOWMASTer Flow FX and a FLOWMASTer 40 series back to back, as you guys can see there. And then back to his factory duals that we, not factory, back to the duals we did earlier, which is yesterday. So as you guys can see there and there, 2 1/4 and then 4-inch tips out the back. But we did a FLOWMASTer 40 series and a Flow FX to quiet it down drastically. He wanted about 70% quieter. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh yeah, baby. Look at him, Dad. Do that again. Yeah. Again? That sounds good. Your sound decibels? 107. Again? Go ahead and back it up. I like it. Got a nice pop to it. The smallest we got is large. Let you guys hear on the inside. Let's see what she sounds like. It's a log one now. Oh yeah, much better. So let us know in the comments, guys. Do you like option A or option B? Which sound did you like more? Your sound decibels? Again? Right at 95. Until it peaks, it's like 97. Again? That's perfect. The Flow FX for the drone and the FLOWMASTer for the tone. Yeah. Drone and tone. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of that sound. A or B? This is B. Then straight pipes was A. It's still got a really nice deep tone to it, though. It's not a bad setup at all. Let you guys hear on the inside. is chilling, saying what's up. It's got the 3.5 5-cylinder in it. Chevy Colorado. Perfect. Enjoy, guys. Let me know, guys. I think I like it. It's a nice setup for it. Here's the idle on it.